Kinongilam ka Voice of the People Party VPP kidang penkre banlum lang ye ki MDC bala job ha ki election badang shidapshen ha ka jingelang ha ka apunre terik rumphang ban ye mir jingmut ban say you Chief Executive Member CEM ki Executive Member ki ban yelam ha ki Executive Committee bathamai ha ka jinge kundu bikila pathai Khubor uba Batskhem upadya la new spokesperson ka VPP ulai thu ba ka jinge kundu jengki MDC kan long ha ka sngi balang kata ka apun ril tarik ha kini ka jinge lang enyemir jingmut banjet yu nong yalam CEM bat ki EM ban yalam ya ki isi bathamai da ka Seng VPP ula kren shairu da ka boong ka VPP kala yo ek majority kam Donkam shu ek jingkershan jeng Kiwei pat ki party Nalor kata ula ongru Kiwei ki party kentre shitom bani lang bat ka VPP namar kiladon la ki jong kinong rem perkhat bat ki policy tre kam jengki. Ula yathu hadu minta 4 don manu-manuru balawan terwa bani lang bat ka VPP.
To have an interaction with you on the results of the election to the two district councils, that is the KHDC and the GHDC. Yes, we recorded the victory in the KHDC where we won 17 seats of 29 seats that we contested, and also the seats that are there in the KHDC. First of all, I would like to express my appreciation, my gratefulness to the people for choosing and reposing their faith in the ideology of the party, in the promises of the party. So we, from the party side, we deeply express our gratitude to the people, and we also express our deep appreciation to all the people who voted for the BBP, though we could not win in those constituencies and 12 others in HDC. And in Jadivals district, we won 8 seats out of the 29 seats that we contested, and it is a new beginning, a new chapter in the history of the GHDC. We know that in Jadivals district, it is quite different from GHDC, the politics over there, but we have been able to make inroads. We express our appreciation, gratitude to the people of Jadivals district also for giving us the opportunity to serve the people in the district. And from the VPP side, we give the assurance to the people that we will continue to work tirelessly for the welfare of the people in Border district, whether in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council or whether in Jadivals District Autonomous District Council. In KHDC, yes, we are in the driving seat where we will try to implement the policies and programs that we have promised to the people, and we will surely use the office of the KHDC to improve the lives of the people. In Jadivals district, we will try our best to serve as the opposition party in the council. And to be frank, the other parties may find it difficult to work with the BBP because we are the ideologically driven party. We are committed to the ideology of the party, the policies and the programs that we have promised to the people. So I think that the other parties also, they have that basic sense to understand. So far, we have not been approached by any other parties. We have no doubt about it, but we have to work hard and we have to work with the people, work for the welfare and betterment of the lives of the people. And since we have the committed elected MDCs, so we are sure that people will once again give the confidence and the faith in the party, and we believe that in 2028 we will be able to do better, and we will be able to provide a better governance to the people of the state. They truly deserve better governance.
Okay. Thank you.
So far we have not elected But discussions have been doing the rounds in the party, and we will have the meeting with the newly elected NDCs maybe tomorrow, and we will take a call on who will be the CEM and the executive members. In KHDC, we don't need so far the support of any other candidate, any other MBC. Since we have got absolute majority, we can form our own executive committee. So as far as KHDC, I think the other part, space for airing and articulating and pushing through the agenda of the people, and to help also the executive committee led by as I saw the paper, led by the NPP, that they should work for the people. So the reaction, to the results of the 2 district councils, I would say that we are very happy with the outcome, and we wish that in the future we will be able to do much better.